Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss is actually playing out pretty much exactly like I've been saying. First move up, first impulsive move up with the breaker structure, likely a wave A. This is probably an A, B, C right here, ending right here. So one, two, three waves for a wave B. I think more than likely we probably are still going to go up just like what I said last week to either the 50 or the 61% because there's a ton of support and resistance at these areas. So it could go to either one of those areas for a wave C. Because at a higher time frames, I think that this is very likely just going to be a correction. I think that once we get up to one of these levels, it will probably make a double top. It will probably make a breaker structure to the downside, helping show us that it really is the end of an ABC correction and potentially make a really good entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.